Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make attendance, means student attendance. Like first of all we need to make like class wise we can get the attendance list, and after we have saved data inside a database. So in this video we can continue like a student reports, means attendance report. Suppose you are click on the attendance report, so you need to show like student ID, you need to show like student name, also you need to show student attendance like present, so present, absent, so absence, and presents. And we need to put like here like a attendance type. First one we need to choose the class, after you need to choose the like attendance date, and suppose you need to choose or not choose is a dependency about the attendance type, and we can get the list. So let's continue for this video attendance reports. So just you need to go to resources, inside you need to go to views, inside you need to go to headers blade.php. Okay, so just take few seconds because the page opening. So just go down and I create a new menu, attendance reports. So let's go down. Okay, here. So just copy this one and paste here. Just you can change like student to, we need to change to report. And also you need to pass here like a report, so we can add a active class. And here you can change to attendance report. Okay, and here already there segment 2 attendance, so it's automatic is the active class work, same like here there. So let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check the menu created, cannot created. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like another menu is there, attendance reports. Let's click on the attendance reports. So we need to create a new routes, so just copy and go to routes, inside need to go web.php, and we need to create a new routes just here. I will copy above routes and paste bottom. After I change here like attendance students, means attendance report. Okay, now we need to go attendance controller. So app http controller, inside attendance controller. Otherwise you are using Sublime editor, so just you can use a go to function like this, so you can automatically open the attendance controller. After we need to create here new function, attendance reports. Here we can make like $request, suppose we need to use, so we can use it these reasons. Okay, so just back and refresh the page. So is the data found, but first of all we need to create like a view file. So just copy and paste here, and here I will change to attendance report. Okay, I saves, and also I can change here like a reports, and I will create a new file inside a attendance. So admin attendance, inside we can create a new file, attendance report, means a report.blade.php. So just you need to copy like student blade.php all the file, and inside you can put, and we don't need like a ajax, so I can remove the ajax. We also don't need right now is a table view, so I can also remove the table view like this bottom one. Okay, we don't need, so just remove. Okay, this is the leave like student ID attendance, because we need also we can put like a created dates, attendance date, so we know okay attendance date, and also we can make like created date, which time we have created dates, so created dates. Okay, so here we can change to student list, attendance list, student to attendance list. Let me change now. Now here I can change attendance list. Okay, so look like better this reason, because this is the already we have copy inside student blade.php. This reason I am using directly. Let me remove now, because I need to explain clearly. Let's make a comment, so I can explain clearly this reasons. Okay, so right now I made a comments, and let's go back again and I can show you. But we are using the here get class, so just you can go to attendance controller and just copy this get class, and you can put here, so we can get the all the classes. Okay, because we have already done about class controller inside get class function, so you can see it here, you see. Okay, let's save and just go back again. So file successfully created, you can see it like student attendance, but we need to change here like a report, attendance report. So just copy and go to like report, and just we can change here like attendance report, and here you can change search attendance report. Okay, so we don't need this is the id, so just remove, because last video I made id about saving the database inside data, these reasons. Okay, and also we need to change reset function. So our reset function attendance report, so just remove the students and we can change to reports. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it, attendance reports, search attendance reports. Like here there is a class also there, because we have pass here attendance inside, so you can see it, get class function, we have pass inside class models, and we can show inside a attendance report. So you can see it, because I have copy paste work, this reason already there, this reason I have not typed. Suppose you are following this series, so you can easily understand what I did. Okay, and also you can see like a get method wise data there, so is automatic selected. Same like attendance date, whatever you are choose, this data can select. Let me search so I can show you part time, and I can choose like any dates, and I click on the search, so you can see it like a class id 3, so it's showing the 3, and attendance date, so you can see it like a automatic showing here. But we need to put another filter here like a attendance type. Just I can search and I can show you. I go to student attendance, inside I can search and I can show you this one, attendance type, like present, late, absent and half day. So we can make it filter, and filter wise we can get bottom reports. So let's create another row, so just copy and paste here, and here you can change like attendance date to attendance type, and here we can make like a select class form control. Why I am using, because I already implement here bootstrap, so bootstrap class I am always using directly. Okay, so here is the name is equal to attendance type. So just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see attendance types. So let's add a for attendance type option value blank, and here you can type like a select, and I can make like a for time, because it's a for like a 1 2 3 and 4. And also we can change like a name here. So I already explained present means the ones because you saving automatically presents. Sorry, let's go to report inside, so I can copy means student inside, so I can copy the name presents. Here is the presents, here is the late, so I can use late, and also I need to use like absence. So just copy paste. 3 means absent, 4 means is like half day, so is a half day here. Okay, so I will save this file. Let's go back again, refresh the page, means here go to attendance report, so you can see it like a attendance type. Like I can choose the attendance type is equal to present, and I click on the search. Okay, because this is the required, we always need to choose, otherwise we can't get the data, this reason. And we don't want to make like require like attendance date, no need to require like class, because I don't want to require anything. So just remove the requires, remove. Okay, I save now. I just go back and I click on the search, so working very well. Suppose I can choose the presents, so also work, but is the auto selection not working. So let's make a auto selection. Let's just copy like this one and put every place, and just you can change class id to attendance type, and also you can change like dollar class id to 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, I will save now and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see that auto selection there. Okay, let's, so let's, and absent, so absents. So we have made like filtering otherwise people making first listing, but I have made first filtering. So let's make a now listing, because step by step I can explain. Just remove this condition, we don't need these conditions, and I refresh the page, so you can see it now. attendance list bottom. Okay, so student id, student name, attendance, attendance date, and created dates. But we also made like class name because here also there, so we can see it like a class name, like student. After we can add a class name. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see like student id, student name, class name, attendance, attendance date, and created dates. So let's make a one join query and we can get the data and we can show here. So first of all we need to open the our data table, mean database. So let's go back again and we can start the query. So here just we can use like $data get records. So which controller means which model there, student attendance model. Here I can create a new function, get records. So just go to this model, otherwise you need to go directly, means flow wise. So just you can click on the http, inside you can see it like, sorry, app, inside you can see it model, inside you can see it student attendance models. And here just need to create static function get records, return self. Self means this is the class name, otherwise you can use direct, so also work. Okay, select student attendance dot star, and here I can make like a order by descending order. So old record always showing the, new record always showing the first. This reason I make id is a descending order, and I can make here paginate because we need to use a pagination. So paginate I can use like a 50, so 50 record showing. Okay, so let's save, and here we can save. So this is the data we can get inside a views file. So just refresh now, so you can see no any error. So query working very well. So what I did, first I created data get records inside a one parameter, means a one variable name, so we can using inside a views file. After I have created one static function inside a student attendance model, you can see it now. Also I get the data about the student attendance. So let's show you the database inside table. Just go to schools.com, you can go your tables, and here you can see it like a student attendance. So this is the record we can get here, like class id, attendance day, student id, attendance type. But we need to make an who is a created by, so we need to add another column created by, so we can get his name. So let's make a first join query about class id to class table, means a student id to user table, and created by to users table. So just we can do join query, join class, because our table name is a class, you can see it here like a class. So you can see class. So here this is the class name. So just join class class.id attendance, means student attendance dot class id. So just we can make like class dot name as a class name. So here we can getting the class name. Okay, so also need to make another join query. So just I copy paste users means as a student. So student, because we are using the created by also inside users table, this is then I have created alias students.id, and here attendance means student attendance dot student id. Okay, so just we can use like a student dot name as a first student name, and student last name. Just copy and paste here, and here I can change to name to last name, student last name. Okay, now we need to make another query for the created by. So just copy and paste bottom, because this is the column against we need to make a another query. So created by, and here I can change to created by dot id, because always also I create users alias created by, so we need to get the who is a created user. So created by user I will get, so just put like a name as a created name, and also do you need to make last name. So just you can using, I don't want to show last name about the created by. Okay, so I don't want to make a query. So we have made three join query. One is a student, one is a created by, and also we made a like a class against. So just refresh now and check any error there, cannot there. Okay, I think error there because taking time. So 100% error. There's unknown class dot name as a class name because we have not added as a this reason here. So just save and go back and refresh the page so we can check error there, cannot there. Okay, now no any errors. So let's make a list out here. So just go back again and go to reports, and we already passed here like a get records variable. So just you can use here for each loop as a dollar value and for each. Here you can use it like two types. I can tell you what is the for else. I don't know, you know about not and empty and for else. So here we can use like a tr td, and here you can make like a call span 100, and just you can type like a record not found, and here we can make it like our looping. Suppose here record there, so it's going to inside, otherwise record not there, so he is going to here. Okay, so let's show you. Just go back again, refresh the page so you can see it. It's working, but here is already record we can get, this reason working, otherwise record not get, so not working. I can show you about filtering wise so you can easily understand. Okay, so tr inside td, first we can show is a student id. So we already get a student id inside a, and also we need to make another one like student name. So we have put like a two name, like student name and student last name. So just you can copy paste so you can do it quickly. So just go back again and copy student last name. Also we need to show like class name, so just you can copy and paste. So another ld created td created, sorry, and just we can change to class name. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so see data showing, not showing. So you can see data showing part time, student 1, student 4, student 3, fourth. Also we need to show attendance date, but attendance type we can change to attendance type. Here is it for type works. So just go to database and we can check like attendance type. So here we need to make a condition. If attendance type is equal to 1, so going to here, else if attendance type is equal to 2, same thing 3 and 4, sorry, 3 and 4, and here you can use like a and if. So first one we can show like a presents, second one we can show late, and third one we can show like absence, and last one we can show half day. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check now working very well, cannot. So you can see the attendance type present, absence, late, presents, and absence, whatever here there. And after I need to show like attendance date, so just we can show like td, and we can make like a copy and paste here, and just go to database and copy the column name attendance dates. So I just copy and I put here, but let's convert to date month y. So because we need to use a convert date month y, so str2 time and paste here. So this is the function, date function. We can convert ymd to date month y because our database is showing the ymd. So but we need to show like a date month y. So you can see it 25 2023. And here we can also need to show like created dates, so just copy, and here you can change like a created at, and also need to show time, so just make a h a and a capital, so we can show like a am pm this results. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can also see it like a am amm, what time you are submitting recordings a database, this time we are storing here, means showing here. Okay, now also we need to show created by, so just copy anyone and here show created by, because we already made a join query for created by. So just copy and put here, and go to student attendance model and just copy this name, so you can do it quickly. I save the file now and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it. Let me show you everything. I have made a mistakes because I just need to put here. Okay, so you can see it like created by. Sometime I'm moving very fast, sorry about that, because I forget I'm making video, this reason. Okay, I just save now and I go back again to refresh the page, so you can see it like created by, created dates, attendance date, attendance type, class name and student id. So let's now make a filtering. Suppose I can filter only part time, like class is equal to part time, so only show record here part time, but we can make a before like a pagination. So let's go to any user list, otherwise go to admin, inside admin list. Okay, and just copy bottom one about the pagination code and put here. So pagination working very well, so no issue. Here you can see like get records, so this is the get records, and here is like a pagination file, so you can use it directly. Okay, so let's go to attendance report model, and I can make like a paginate like a 2, so you can see it here. I refresh the page, so you can see it like pagination working very well. Suppose I can change 2 dates, 3, 4th, and also you can see it like class already selected, because the class id we are there inside database, this reason means a url, this reason automatic filter wise work, means the pagination work is a filter wise. So you are made a filter like a class part time you are choosing after you are showing the 200 record, so always only show is a class part time the records bottom, because it's a filter wise work pagination, this reasons. Okay, I change to 15 now. I just click on the attendance report, so you can see all the record now whatever they are inside database. So let's make a filter work now, and after everything is done, so just suppose I can choose a part time, so I search the part time, so only record need to show here part time record. So just you can use a class id and go to attendance model, so here you can declare like use request, and here we can make like a variable name dollars is equal to, and also we can concat here, and here I can make a return dollar returns. Okay, so here we can make a condition, if is not empty request get class id. So going to inside, and we can make here where query, just copy bottom line and put here, and here you can change like a where student attendance dot class id is equal to like this is the class id, whatever data we can get inside a url, so we can pass here. Okay, let's save now and we can check working not working. So just go back again, refresh the page, because here is already their class id, so you can see it like I will choose the part time, so only work part time. Suppose I can choose like ss2, so you can see it like ss2, so ss2 no record there, this reason record not found. Why is the record not found work? Because we have a user else for else, so it's going to empty. Suppose here data inside a get record data not there, so automatically Laravel convert to empty part, means the else part, so showing record not found. Okay, so it's going to here. So let's select like a ss1, so I think here is the record there, yes record is there with student id there. So let's make attendance date. Suppose attendance date wise we need to make a filtering. Suppose I can choose only 20, so only need to show this date is a records. So it's simple, just copy and paste work, just you can copy and paste here, and you can change to attendance date. Here you can change attendance date, and here you can change attendance date, because student attendance inside already their column attendance date. You can see it here, you see. So working very well. So just save the file and go back and refresh the page, so you can see it. You see working, because my date is always current ymd. This reason automatic work. Suppose you are using any other plugin, so whatever format you are choose, like this need to work. So I can clear again, okay. And after we need to make like attendance type. Suppose I can choose only present, and I click on the search, so you can see it like attendance type. So attendance type also we need to make a where query. Simple, just copy paste work about the attendance date filter, and you can change to attendance type here. Okay, so just save this file and go back again and check. So we have choose here present, so only two record there. This isn't showing the presents, like attendance date, whatever there we can work, and attendance type, so whatever you can works. I think we need to make another column like here, like a student name by search. Suppose anybody can search using student name, so you can see it. And also we can make like student id against need to search, so also you can search like student id. So we can make a two filter more here, and this is the like small filter I can do, like a class and attendance date, attendance type. We can make it small, and we can add a two new filter like student id and student name. So just go back again and go to list, and here we can go and just sorry, this is the wrong file. I just go to reports, and here we can make like two. Also here you can make like two, and here also you can make two, and here also make it two. So just go back again, refresh the page, so we can see it small everything like class, attendance date, and student type. So we can add a more two filter like student id and student name. Okay, so just copy anything. Let's copy about attendance date, and just change here like a student id, and here also we can change student id, and also we can change here student id. And same thing we can make another one, student name. So you can search using the student name, and here we can make change to student name. Also you can change here student name, and also we can type to text both place. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here like a two filter more at student id and student name. Let's make a placeholder so look like better, otherwise showing the very blank. So just change to placeholder like a student id, so student id, and here we can make like a placeholder student name, so student name. Okay, so let's save file and go back and check now, and refresh the page, so placeholder look like better. So let's make a student id filter and student name filter. So just go to student attendance model and just copy like class 1 and paste here, and just you can make like attendance, student attendance inside a student id, and here you can change student id, and also here you can change it student id. So this is the filter work student id against. Just go back again, and I can add like student id 14. Okay, class is required. Let's remove the required filter here, because we don't want to use the required any place. So just remove the required, and let's make a reset. And after I add a student id like a 14, I click on the search, so you can see only 14 means this student id against get the data. Same thing we can make like student name wise we can search, and let's remove this ones, reset, and after I can make like student name 1. So it's not working, you know me, no. Just make another filter, means another where query here. Same thing like this, student name is equal to student dot name, and here I can use like, and here we can change to student name. Also we need to make a star, means like percentage sign, so is a both side filter work this reasons. Okay, and here also make a percentage sign, So both side filter work this reasons. I just save the file and I just go back and refresh the page. So you can see student 1 and I can make student. So you can see all the people names like student this reason. But suppose we can search like a student 1, so not working because the 1 means the last name there. This reason is not matching. Got my question? This reason is not working. But here is a possible another way like a where or. So how to use where or is a, like a different way, but I can search and I can show you how we can use inside Google. Okay, where and where or in Laravel. Just you can search and I think you can go first column and you can copy this first line. So it's also possible. Otherwise you can copy second line. This is the good idea. I just copy second line. Okay. I can show you which one is better for you and which one better for me. So this is the better for me. Just I can copy second lines, means this is the part, and we can convert to our side. Okay, like I can just put inside a student name. So this is the, you can please carefully check because this is the like not easy, so we can use it directly just like this, student return to returns. Okay, and here we need to store like student name inside one variable is equal to student name. Here we can pass like a use student id. Okay, and here we need to change like a student name like to 1 to change. Here also we need to change same thing, but we need to use like a student name because we have already passed one variable inside. I hope work because otherwise we need to check again to Google and we can make it 100% work, but sometime not work, so we can sort out what is the issue like student dot last name. And here you can change same thing like. Okay, so just let's make a comment for this course right now and go back and check work not work. So let me go back again, refresh the page. Student name is not working because of the like query not working very well. Like or like I think there no where or where, and inside we have made like a last name and likes and student name. Let me check my other project because I have made lots of projects, so I can show you just taking few seconds. And where I did I need to go and I can find for you. So let's go to other project and sort out for you. Okay, so just wait few seconds. By bits and we can go resources app http controller. Here is a cron controller. This is the other project, so I can just where so here is also there, not there. No, is a where or where. So I think here not there. Just close, and I can open my other project to insides. 1 minute. I'm just finding for you. Otherwise, this video is done, but it's good for you. You can learn new thing. Just I can do it for you. Like here you can see or where. So here you can see like detail tables. You can use it like this. Where or same thing we did. Like we can pass a query. So also we have pass here like our side. Where is the there coding? Okay, here there. Queries, the queries. Let's make here dd and check so we can get the record data get cannot get. I just save now and I just go back again, refresh the page. So yes, student 1 is we can getting. I save these records and I search now. Student 1, why we are not getting the name? Student.name, student.last name. I think we're gonna restart. This reason not works. Let's remove the stars. Sorry, this signs. So just save and go back again. I think we need to make another query wise same thing like a where or where, and we can make like here student last name, and we just make a comment this one, and let's make a search. So work not work, we can check. Otherwise we can create a new one like a last name. I think like this not work, I don't know, because I just try for you, but this is not working because I have not made before like where like. So just make it like another column for the last name, because this is the first name wise work, so we need to work like a last name wise. So just I can search first name, so you can see it like a first name wise work. So let's make another column like a student last name, so we can easily use it. So just copy paste for this one, and we don't want to need this variable. Also we can close and just copy, and here we can change student last name, and here we can change student last name, and also we can change student dot last name. Okay, and just we need to go to report.blade.php and just copy, and just you can change like student last name. So just you can change to here student last name. Also we can change here like student last name. Okay, and we already made here filtering, so you can see it like student last name. So just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see student last name. But let's make some compromise, like student id we can make 1, insert report once, and also we need to make like a type is equal to, means attendance report type is equal, means the button we can make a 1, so because it's the only one record inside available. Just go back and refresh the page, not possible, same things too, but we can change attendance type to 1. Just go back again, refresh the page, so it's yes working very well, no issue. Okay, like attendance type also 1, so it's working very well. And I can change now student, and here I can type like a type equal to 1, so you can see working very well, no issue, because where or and where is not working with different two table this reason. Like here is a we can pass like 1 this reason, like this we can passing 1, so it's not working because this name is not there inside a first name this reason. Okay, so in this video I have explained how to make a attendance report, so you can see it like records. Let's also showing is a total record, so you know about the total records. So just go back again, and just you can make simple way get records, and here we can type like a totals, and just we can do it totals, because we are using the pagination, so pagination inside is that total there. So just save, and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like total. Let's make a blue color, so is a highlight. So here we can using span, and we can put inside and here we can change tile color is equal to blue. Okay, I save the file. Now I just go back again, refresh the page, so working very well, no issue now. And you can see it like student id against data get, and you can get a data on student name and student last name wise, class wise, attendance date, attendance type wise, you can get the data. And also you can see it like a total record, so you can know, okay, suppose you can say choose this date and you can search, so you can know about total record is a 4th. After you can choose who is a present, so just you can search here present, so only data showing about the present, so only 3 records showing the presents. After you think, okay, only we need to find out like a part time, so just you can search here part time, so only data get about the class part time. And suppose you can see ss1, so only get data about ss1 for this date, for this attendance type wise. I hope now everything is clear, and do you have any questions, so please comment it, and next video we can show like a student report inside a, means student attendance inside a student side. After we need to make same thing inside a teacher side, so teacher can see it. Okay, and I hope do you want to enjoy this video, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.